forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, ja. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes,
Nothing wrong with
they
that.
always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, and I know Jah will see you through.
Hey everyone, just a very quick notification before we get into today's vlog. Just to let you guys know that we will be doing Vlogmas this year. So for the month of December, we will be putting out a video every single day. Guys, disclaimer though, right? So I have got loads of videos and vlogs that I did in the summertime that I've just not edited and not put out. So as part of Vlogmas, just to make it a little bit easier for Outlaw and I, we're going to be putting out some of the videos that we have not yet released, that we've not put out. So I will put a date of the video. So for example, the video that I'm putting out now, this vlog, was done in the summertime, summer 2023. Okay, so it's going to be a mixed bag. There'll be some older videos that we've not yet shown. There'll be some real-time videos, but I'll let you know, guys. So it's going to be a mixed bag, so please bear with us, but please look forward to a video every single day. Please guys, please do support us. Please help us by watching the ads. I know sometimes they're long, but if you could watch 30 seconds of the ads, that would help us to generate a small income from it. We really appreciate you guys. We love you guys, and hope you enjoy the vlog.
You have a $500, darling?
No, sorry.
I left their swims and gone.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. datmisehtv. It's your TV. It's your girl Deezer. Today, guys, we are in Black River in St Elizabeth, and we are going to the Pelican bar. We featured this on the channel before, but we are here with a group of good customers today, and we're going to Pelican bar today. So let's just show you around. Here, bird's view. That's where we are. This is where we usually come in catch a boat. Let's see there. Yeah. We've got a little bar. Must say, Parity is a very beautiful area in Black River. Yeah, so just as you come off the Black River Town Centre, then you can turn up into Parity. And then along here, there are different points that you can get the boat to Pelican Bar. So yeah. Like I said, we have featured this on the channel before, maybe about 2 years ago. Oh yeah, twice I think we featured Pelican Bar. So for those of you who've seen it already, so sorry, but for those who it's the first time, I hope you enjoy. Yeah, that's it. don't know, the Pelican bar is a bar located in the middle of the ocean. Yes, in the middle of the ocean. It's in the shallow part of the water, and to get there you go to a place called Parity in Black River and you get the boat like what we're on. It takes about 20 minutes to get the boat from the coastline to the bar in the middle of the ocean. It costs about $2,000 to $3,000 per person depending on where you get the boat from, which is about $15 to $20 US per person. It's about a 20-minute ride.
Yeah, the other one.
I no get time. Cover my face, calling me back out. Pretty man, wait to
Facilities at the Floyd's Pelican Bar include a bar where you can buy a range of drinks. They do food there. They cook fresh food there. You can go and swim in the water as well because, like I said, even though it's in the middle of the ocean, it is in a very shallow part of the ocean. You can actually stand up in the water. So people love to go and swim there. It is kid friendly. Now I know bar kind of sounds like, oh my gosh, bar may not be appropriate for children, but it is. It's a great experience for children. Every time I've gone, children have been there. They sell different crafts and different drawings, paintings and things that some of the guys have made as well. And one of the famous things to do here is to leave a piece of memorabilia. So if you've got a hat or a t-shirt, as you'll see in the vlog, people come from near and wide and they leave something memorable. Yeah. And here we can see another boat coming in. Guys, I must say, right, there are a range of boats that come in, dropping people off. Our boat was a bit rickety, I'm not gonna lie, but we saw some sophisticated boats with people wearing life jackets and everything. So if you are very conscious about your safety, then make sure you get one of these boats so they've got life jackets and the boat looks, you know, above board and everything like that. But it is an experience. It's a really good experience. Guys, I would encourage you to do it if you haven't done it before. Yes, people, so Pelican Bar we are at. Yeah, always nice to come back here. It's a vibe. Guys, if you've not been here, you should come.
Look at the streets, you are not my mate. If you become shut, not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it coming? G-Wagon, all depending. The girl, ride the whip, I know it. Oh no, I bought
It's a new part over there. We're building this part.
So cool, man, so cool.
Oh guys, a bit nervous and talking a bit here. Yeah, look at this. So this part is new. Yeah, okay, so this is the new part. This is a new bit that's been built. Yeah, which is nice. You come out, get the breeze. No, I've had it already. Thanks. Yeah, of course.